Ohm's law is the single most useful equation in electrical work. It says voltage equals current times resistance. With it, if you know any two of the three, you can always find the third. Think of the water analogy. Voltage is the pressure, current is the flow, and resistance is how narrow the pipe is. More pressure pushes more flow, a narrower pipe allows less. The law has three forms, one for each unknown. Voltage is current times resistance. Current is voltage divided by resistance. And resistance is voltage divided by current. Its everyday use in solar is voltage drop. Current flowing through the resistance of a long cable loses a little voltage on the way. We keep that loss to a small percentage by sizing the cable correctly. The law is also your fault-finding tool. Measure the voltage across something and the current through it, divide one by the other, and you have its resistance. Compare that to what it should be and you can spot a fault. Resistance always turns some energy into heat. That is fine in a heater, but in a cable or a loose joint it is wasted energy and a fire risk, which is why connections must be clean and tight. A quick example. 10 amps through a cable of 1/5 of an ohm drops 2 volts. On a 400-volt string that is 0.5%, which is perfectly acceptable. So Ohm's law links voltage, current, and resistance in one line. Rearrange it to find any one, use it for voltage drop, and lean on it to diagnose. It is the workhorse of every electrical calculation.